Then mommy go post it to one.
Introduce yourself now.
You want a video? Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Richie Obama, comedian of the Republic of Sierra Leone, from the first order of the Republic. At that introduction, they are going to Liberia. I do the Mame. What did this one they told now, Mame? Now, this I don't come a different side. Ladies and gentlemen, I tell Mr. Smith, I said the way I do the presentation, forget Precious, it was wonderful and risky. Case Precious been turning down, I for feel. Me, I don't talk on the day what they propose. Now boats now they use. Only me and my girlfriend, only me and I inside the boats. Go me do you attack. So baby, wait till they marry me. Wait say no, Richie I need one. The rest the family go come inside the water. They call that shameless, they not go put me pan. I'm happy for there. Today everybody get the opportunity, one leg upstream with first lady. It's good. Since December 29, mommy, where I last you. Last video, face to face. Yeah, happy. If I get away for calling mama self, I go call her and say, I don't see you crush you. My mommy only in crush. I ain't see first lady then here. So today na then the ben here. Now say mama left they put too bad up. Then Benia then this one, then Benia then $1,000. You go Benia just for them go well your last. I appreciate it. So I believe say Mr. and Mrs. Smith, Precious, if you angry with me, maybe they call me. There is one thing way for no. Me not just comedian, me no go statesman. I go the guy they can back me. And you know long lit Africa Italy. Now the only Africa they will tell you destiny. If you go for work, no ever use Lumley with motoka. The work and they call in at the traffic, you don't lose. No car again, no bother car, you don't lose. Are they Lumley traffic? Now Precious text me. No car again. The man don't reach here. Maybe I say this, I need the reply. Pass I reach the program. You believe say that mommy here is here, they say perform. Lumley traffic, now the only traffic go the mail posse, they be cool. And then a Lumley traffic, 1 hour. Yesterday evening. Thursday, traffic not they move. We must get a bit after 1 hour 30 minutes. Because of another guy must cover they use now off the engine. You know, let me show you if you know. Off the engine, I put the glass door. DJ they don't pay it, they can't put a program there. Control the mic. Now off the engine and relax the seat. One boy there by my side. He told they play music no more. They play. Now I say you will join me soon. 2 hours we at the traffic. After 2 hours, 30 minutes. Everybody will sell lentin and bread. Now they can begin with the man 9. Now then Dodge, 2018 Dodge. Now you go to feel now where they say. And the boy and I begin tell the boy, hey bo, now you see the camel car where they can sell bread to me. Go. 3 hours running at the traffic. Now I see what the engine. They put in glass door. Now I say, well, this they join me soon. They walk and meet and back. We have great day. I say, come here, bo. You see bread motor like this kind, Dodge, go. 4 hours, so don't take a Lumley. As then they don't off the engine, it is sweat with the fan. Me and they sleep safe now. Now I say, the girl, bread. And the way Bobo say, I say, I beg you, they can't go water. Very serious. Sometimes the traffic they make you become humble. When I see Chief Commissioner tonight, Chief Commissioner, this one we don't keep on for you. And thank God we see face to face. This thing where you call corruption, so you feds. No side will go start for better. As a comedian, I believe say, DJ. The moment now you perform for, oh you ball down there. And there the salary in a year. So imagine you go program. You see somebody, comedian, they crack joke where they make the mommy know they laugh, you just watch and so. Then you, when they told the mommy begin laugh, kekere. Just remember you must done. I the kekere, 500 cuts. Kekere, 1 million cuts. Chief Commissioner, honestly, when you want fight corruption, you got to go start your fight from primary school. Now that some of you can develop, say, for the family, I don't come here, I become corrupted. Because when the principal or the headmaster, head teacher of the school, want for do snapshots of the school, They call the cameraman. Almost for one snapshot, the cameraman tell us say 2,000 euros. Then the head teacher call the teacher then on a cam. I want to do snapshots for all picking for let them get ID card. Each picking for a snapshot at 3,000 euros. They don't start. Corruption on the go. The teacher go to the class. Hello? Hi. When you go home, please go and tell your parents that tomorrow you must bring 5,000. The money don't go up. Headmistress tell them about 3,000. You don't go tell them about 5,000. Criminal picking like okay, go, mama. I said okay, go 7,000. Corruption they continue. The mama don't give 7,000. They wait for a man and it. James. I begin smart, they say, okay, go 15,000. Kumbaya always they double the amount. That's why when my papa they pay school fee in those days, they tell me, my mama always say, this school fee I don't pay so. Macau. Now about 2 years, I give me landlady the talk then there. The landlady say, I they pay for the picking 3 million for term. 3 million for term. That's 3 term and 9 million. The picking they go read near me. Capital 1, small 1, capital 2, small 1, capital 2. Now say you mama no serious. Capital 1, small 1. If na me born in na SLM na they go put you. Capital 1, small 1, 3 million school fee. Then school make picnic then there. Me na lady no ever they speak English. Ever na because the way film they play they speak English. Change and go Nigeria. And don't let witches film. As he said, they say, na garage, Utuda, yes, my earlier, change them. Go look for entity that they talk with today. True. When I let it go to the keep at a picnic. All them come back, they also want to go out, mommy, before the clothes, you picking English. I mean, I let it test, yeah? By picking. Mary, come here, come and sit down. Mommy, Mary, come and sit down. I Mary something, mama. Hey, mama, say they speak English. I say, Papa, you hate pastor now. Very serious. Tonight, some of you are first time for Kansai Atlantic Hotel. And for getting guy plate here, please I advise snap. Snap, you keep the picture. The day where you lost hand, just watch the picture number the Chami guy. Say lovely memory. Very serious. Yeah, I don't talk about this word. Now comedy I don't do. I go college, I study social work and measure mental health. But I know they work. Yeah. I'm a specialist in mental health. You don't believe? Mommy, the time when you go self-kissy Christian, they call me for dinner on the program. The time when Daddy go the program, they call me, I was there. Honestly, most of the people who go, they know. Dr. Jalo can call me, I can come on board. He looks on certain people when they make, I say, hey, it's like Chris Passer. The guy they go look me, they go, hey. Now they this time when they make now old fashioned. Honestly, because of the level at which they come to they go right now, we don't begin preach 1, 2, or tell people say, young man as a youth, you get to stay away from drug. In the next 5 years, depression will become major every day. People will become depressed every day. If 4 people depressed, next man are 8, next man are 16. White world, Western world, they don't get that before. Now Africa they get depression. Before now, when somebody kills himself in Africa, they say na witch man, na witchcraft. But we don't begin believe in say mental illness is the day. Honestly, that's why you go see with man come to you go see with man grab. You go to snap up 16-story building or 32-story building. Girl, I'm going to kill myself. I'm going to fall down. 5 minutes where you go out there, they go call NADP, NADP go call SWAT, SWAT go call NYDP. They use the helicopter. Hello, hello, hello. Don't kill yourself. Why do you want to kill yourself? White man, they always use okay, make they want to kill themselves. It don't make sense. I want to kill myself because my dog miscarried. The reason I don't make kill myself. Don't go over the miscarry only near me. You go read with man and they say, please don't kill yourself, okay? Hold on, give us 1 minute. Within 1 minute, they go back the helicopter candle, they can't take you cover with lapa, blanket, they can't go to one therapist kibos, go begin cancel you. That's how the Western world. When you come to salon, one boy want test time. Go to now Samangua be in the 2nd floor. No say Samangua be 1st floor, 2nd floor, they go to Napo. From morning 10 o'clock, they're like, hey. And they jump, hey. I ain't the God, what are you? otherwise close, I didn't hear from morning till 4. By then 4:30, 2 boys in the pass. Instead of them time for ask them, what's the problem? They begin say, I buy 10,000 money not get my job. Because we get my job, we don't jump on this morning. One OSD the pass. OSD there.
They were cool.
Mommy there, no free. OSD are not free. Once me mommy there, are not free. Maybe they snap me. They picture there, I need them for passport. If I wait to go American embassy, they say, who are you? I say, I'm a comedian. What they prove, I say, look at first lady behind my back. Cracking joke. Is it Photoshop? I say, watch the video. I can't to American embassy. I keep on American embassy. Honestly, who's that with the Egyptian?
The OSD.
I know OSD talk to the boy. He say, hey, what you doing under? Just OSD, I don't speak English. And the first people, and the way speak to them, that one. As you see where the break in and to say, oh my, what's up? Sorry, I cannot. When I slap you, and they talk to you, they talk to you, where's the accident? What you do up yonder? And the boy say, I want to kill myself. And the OSD say, why? And he say, because that's how it's life. Hoping that the OSD will can't tell for me, that is the situation. And the OSD say, you sure say want to kill yourself? And the boy say, yeah. And I say, I'm not sure. So I'm going to be in a 13 story he gets. You know, in our second floor, they say want to kill yourself. Go line up, go, see chop before you know that they finish you. Mommy, tell you here, that's why I don't get that response. As far as I don't concern now, comedy, hey, why is that they ask you? For the next 60 years, nobody. Take it from me, mommy. Nobody. They want to put me salon, they want to get me on Nigeria, will make me say, I'm a Nigerian, Anambra State. And I say, imagine no more. If mommy, firstly, they look me on television. They say, this man is Sierra how firstly they go feel. Say, go salon, or lost somebody. And I say, no, for the sake of firstly, I'm not going anywhere. Because they say, anytime they see me, they surprise me. 3 weeks ago, first lady will meet up on one event. As a blast and first lady, 2 million. Bye. Over. I never pick the money. I never pick the money. I go to now give me give me say, oh Gabo, me man has sleep in your sleep. It shocked you. I've been the top of OSD. OSD, I get respect for now. You know, that they didn't check point on net. Anybody where they go join the force, say I know police force, I can advise always carefully get book small book planning. Important. The time when the coffee been there, and late one day I reached checkpoint at around 11:47. The OSD so them blood in a checkpoint. As I reach, whenever you late for coffee, take it from me. Speak English. Speak any rubbish you can. Speak no more. As the OSD can meet me, you, where the pass? Now I say the NAC and Panach residence Bravado and Panachnas of the COVID-19. I won't wait till that OSD again. Get. He got wasted on the chair. I said, I don't know the first corona. Very serious. I said, what the rest there is sweet so. What do you enjoy? Anybody there will come and make the embassy. Now you be this one. And you know something, me have phone me. Also, why they see the last year they cold. And the man is what I can pay for the past 6 months, 700,000. Now he said for make an offer can this lady program. He go tell me say I was in the dress and I say they don't go to the event. I say no, you not get for shop. I say okay, carry. Why I see you now? My foot stop me get. Yeah, take me. What is I don't see? You know the last day when I talk with the mommy. I did it now because of professionalism, so I be maintain standard. We just send Minister of Tourism here. Can explain small money, you understand? And I say, God they make one event, I mean they see in person. So everybody get a breakthrough. Then they are all right, they go church, pastor they refer to me. This week is your week. I'm not really understanding. It goes to the extent, now it's that one. If you are here and you believe this week is your week, take out 100,000. Like John, I'm going back. The guy meets me. If you believe in me, this week is your week. So I watch now and say, who's wrong with this pastor they talk about this week is my week? Who's not get for Obama? The OBO me see you also. I get for me talk one day. I be there apply for American embassy, American visa few weeks ago. Most of you I don't apply for her. Me I shocked. Why I go for go play DV? One minister then at the same line with me. I say, honorable minister, and I say maintain. Now them comedian on lecture talk maintain. I said, honorable minister, I say they play for. I say, not to say after government, they go to take passport around there. They allow me something. Two, I go for take American visa. I go for the interview. American embassy. Them consulate and keep postatory. I mean, you are not going to help tell them. I console. Why boss at the hall? Oh man, they blast me. Obama, Richie, Obama, hey comedian. I feel say because I'm popular, they can't give me visa. What did the blast man rally? Yeah. Obama, yeah. Respect. I don't know say na me say I dey back well. That console as I can't stand before. It's not like they don't pack the paper there for all that they feel. Before they cancel. I let it make sense. I let the guys with black and white coat. Me I wear coats, me church they give me pocket hand. Go there church away they buy one pocket hand 250. Yeah, I buy the pocket hand. The pastor says they ask you question, no way pick it. Because of the food. And the pastor say, what is your purpose of traveling? Now I put me pocket hand, now we pay it. And the pastor say, yes, I'm talking to you. That's when I want to go to America. Once you the money but this overseas business. Then the job come on win at the embassy. 1940, 1930, 1920. All of it is the same way man and so they can't salon, they can't get out of grandpa. Load in a boat. With man they go ask me for the interview, what is your purpose of traveling? Now I say, sir, 1930 when they can't take me great grandpa and salon. So today when they are on place, I go fend. They say they are around Manchester or United. Me I be say because of my popularity, I be woman. A name Don Robert. Now he look me. Wow, you look funny, huh? Now I say, how will this know me? How will this visa? I don't get that. Now I say, yeah, I'm funny. I'm a comedian. I'm very funny. I say, oh wow, that's good. I've gone through all your documents. It's very impressive. You're a very nice guy. Now I say, yeah, you don't know me. Now I say, have you ever traveled before? Now I say, yes, McKinney, Losai. So that's good. Which country is that? Okay, oh, flight. Abes. 4 o'clock morning. That's good. Wow, this is impressive. I said, do you have a job here? And I said, I told you I'm a professional comedian. I said, oh, sorry, I forgot. I said, all right, hold on. You want me document that we don't print that? I go one envelope middle. Now I make the thing surprise me. Now middle is the paper. I give myself, Mr. Richmond. Oh, you're very, very sorry. You are not eligible for this visa. Now Agbada now be ready. And that day I know say we beg Agbada go American embassy. That close to the AV passport is going to be really. Why come outside the interview? So the whole floor, Obama. I say no, let my name maintain. Obama the blast me. I mean tell them, let my name maintain. I say Obama, how is it? That's low maintain. It's not easy. For travel go overseas not easy. That's why now we're serious for this comedy next year and enter Nigeria. 2-3 years, yeah. I enter Nigeria. That's why I don't tell mommy. Say, mommy, I can tell her sometimes. I say, mommy, when I far away from me. If not, you see overseas America. The day when I reach America, United States, me, I come back. I promise you guys. Just that now after 60 years, when I'm in coffee, I go back. Guess what? This one they carry them go overseas. They live in Shokai. Hey, Petro, they is school. I thought me city don't go to you don't know me, yes. This place there, I get out. No. I get at this, then they go to America. How come she invite them in school? Tell me, Sabi. Well, I appreciate as things to go. I have people see my brother now. I mean, Sheriff, I'm a close brother. Yeah, and the people in this room back in call something and the way come. Hello? Hey, sometimes they get one kind of the way now. False life. Now I say that Sheriff, you know man before. Honorable Minister. Other people like they stop me, they go transport the SLISA. I say, hold on. Hello? Yes, Honorable Minister. Yes, Richie Obama. I say, sir, talk to this man. I don't care the word in there. Yes, sir. Sir? Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Sorry, sir. Thank you, sir. I said, I go, yeah, sir, you want to give me a problem? They go. But I'm happy to be here tonight. Precious is a very good person to me. And the first person for me back then, it was only 2 people who take me outside, say let them go stroll with me. Coming up, person never make for me, but they be papa now because it promised me against life. I began saying so I be the cop. Now one person will make a resign. I say no, this man they frustrate me. Class 3, tell me say he pass and they buy bike. I pass. I say no, you not try. Make person get 78, you get 76. Class 4, I study, I can't force. You know when they can't force, you don't say papa they can buy the bike. Now I say how much you get by English? I say 68. Now I say 2 years I've been able to get 68, but that bike you get and this year. They frustrate me. So like I reach one stage, I say when me back I don't decide. That day I'm going to know they talk say unfair and a good promotion. At least lecturer and the teacher and they recognize you. Precious, the time for me back they call me say Richie, I want to take you out. I shock now I say I don't understand. I say go, I say bestie, I want to take you out. You know man, it's not common for a woman say they take me out. Now I say that it's first one. You can go just know, you ask me tell the other after the order, they say pay. I think they eat cassava leaf for what? Oh, but Precious say order for food. Now I say no, just lights. Yes, yeah, I say just the lobster and I call for. What I call lobster and I see another time we say Precious here is a baby. As I say lobster, now I say no. I mean chips. Just like chips. I eat the chips. After then, we'll take pictures. I post the pictures. You know, that kind of person where you get respect among we the entertainers them. There was a time where me and one entertainer been get issue, where we want to go other way. Because me, if not on Facebook, you never fetch me. I get people when they scam them on the Facebook, they just go, you know. I got to 7 million people where they follow me. Yeah, tell Obama they all. And the whole country population, anyway. You don't know, eh? It shock you. Yeah. I shock where I see first lady following Richie Obama. Now I can find. That's why I see the right say first lady Guinea. Honestly, you know, now good person, Mr. Smith. One of the reasons we make having attend the reception at Kayaba and because of the relationship I got. Now I will tell you say I can perform any kind of performance for him. See the kind of game one me when I play that day. That's a yai.
You embarrass me.
Mr. Smith now uploads one game and saying return yai for they identify a wife. Upon that wife is his striker. As me told you, and I said, this is my wife. Now I said, Mr. Smith left, not give me case. Don't play one with wire. I said, you tie yai. When you only hand, if you don't say that your husband is, you grab, you kiss her. Small thing take me attention. A husband be left 2 posts more before a husband. The question to take me attention at the time for Sunday. And they are the old people money and now I got me. I just boom. Now you feel I'm happy to be here, ladies and gentlemen. First lady, this is my 2nd time performing in front of you. For His Excellency, I think 4 times I don't perform for her. Yes, but I don't get opportunity for sit down like where they sit down so I can begin my. So then I can begin to say the first lady slowly discuss business. Yeah, Obama so which you go talk about the $19 million project. Now I say you wanna wake me now not die by this bill. They can't give me a boss in the left knee. But she's working very hard. You know, that can cost away another lens. Even you say so, it is saying so. There was a day where I've been doing on social media where once somebody comment. Social media first lady. I was shocked now I say social media citizen. I said this man, you get comedy pass through the comedian. If that guy didn't continue, if he get response for him forever. See what's in social media first lady, get social media citizen. So if you become by social media, so anybody get social media something. Who move? And one day we move. Last, nobody know what vex. It was solved. As this alone, because of straight in Nigeria, they do. Everything, NSAS. We talk one day no more salon and they come in and go, hello, Obama. You know, say, you get beaucoup followers. One, you end coffee. That's all that they talk. Now, we youth man then. That's all right, no problem. And they sleep awake at the corona. Now, I go ask me, Mama, I say, you want no family, get anybody will reach the rank of inspector? Now I say, no, the last one, now where is the last corporal? Now I say, okay, thank you. Now I go ask me, Papa, I say, you get any member of the family without reach the inspector? Now I say, no, who never get police safe? Who na security that we can get more? Now so I no problem. Now I call that boy, I say, boy, you family will not get police? Now I say, yeah, we get boku. Tell to the AIG safe, so sign I will post him. Now I say, that's good, they go. Get some protest, some of you on social media will stop. You they go. Nigeria, the police already get, they not start the fire. Then they kind of make, hey, go so. The worst what they do that Lekki toll gates. Salom, where's the? You go protest? Hey, bang. Don't die. Don't die, coffee go down now, me I don't die. I said that, so where's the? Not the fire up. They're not going to fire up my bones. Bang! You are gone. I look at video then they are what they say, waiting, forest rangers there with OSD there. You don't see the forest ranger there, yeah? When they fire the gun, the tear gas to them, they catch them. They send up at the OSD there. Now I say this, you can't come up back about. They can't put the tear OSD, they have fire tear gas. Because you never fire tear gas, you go big it around. Tear gas, you go around, I come back to the OSD. I can't explode the fire. I'm going to Pepe, when I give me, better tell him. As I come up now, precious, if you tell me say you want to come in the show, you say tell me April 10 we pass this year April 10 COVID the point me show. Then now me have to blame. That's sure I don't go trust everything bad in this life, Salomon. No ever make you know you plan. Man then they call me, no man they call you. Hey, you should be out. I know say this show now you don't take by motor car, yeah. We got no marker for you. Now we go no marker for you. So I want to make one kind of big comedy show. I'm planning next year. They get even politician comedy show. Or they put all the politicians, present, past, all for sit down, crack joke, one laugh. When I ask why I'm very United Nations only protect me, they go outside. So as you make so popular comedian is missing. Guess what joke where they crack? You know they see Obama is sentenced to 10 years imprisonment at the Hague. How they call that sign now? Now Hague, Hague. Special waiting? The Hague Special Court. So then they kind of never, I go ask them, I go a messenger. I say, you buy, I say, good. Now, Facebook. Oh, my way to happen, none of the comedian will name the company white people. I say, when they do well, now say, no, me, I not trust myself. Again, I hold the white them money, I not perform. White paper make some OCD where they pray, Father, we thank you, oh Lord. All the thief, we name the no come. This, oh Lord, we thank you, praise you. I say, this guy is sweet. The brother become the popular youth man at this time. When they go to church, they see big man. We all pass 20 years, they greet her, Daddy. How are you, Daddy? They make pen, they call her the tongue. Who that? Serious. I'm happy to meet everybody. I believe all that they are so. Now they not first in the office. Yeah, I get for candy one day. From the gate to now for beginning say, Obama is here. Obama is here. Me one day person now again at this storm. Mommy, that confess. One day person again at this storm where if I get problem why they call. You yourself you know let me share it. Then H Massacre. And they like my God. Now the only person who might look me in this condition. All the days of Corona they look me every month they give me 2 million. I say, Daddy. Also, go to na use. Go crop or go span. True. But thank you. At least we get also the look with the head way. If I get also the comedians we na people away. Oh bloody, oh what Chris. More this part of what? When they talk to more talk. Yeah, I began to tell a crack joke before mommy that day. I know say that you are crack joke and maybe mommy not be giving the right one give me. But that don't make me stand up. Before they can call na church, they pastor pray la no to mommy say no let go theater. Very short, na me go tell of so for me for carry program. No believe that tell of one point me count. Say tell we for see me and they ask for believe. Agbada na do abekaya. The plants he go use the red for us. Now call Angie first. Hello Angie, how you do? First day they go the program. Now I say hopefully. Now I say you don't sweat at the tell you. But pull you get now. They go outside. They say go pull you get now.
my favorite color.
Yeah, I know now your favorite, but so other people they make they watch our eye. I will have found class of first lady for they look me. Obama, you don't reduce my money. But you see, well, I appreciate the first lady. Sometimes when they expect another really nice, they wear red. Sometimes when they expect another really wear blue. If I get because Valentine's Day, I know I see Valentine's Day. This Valentine's Day, one of Valentine's Day was called possible. First lady wear full green, I put red small. That's it. First lady. I love red, though. I mean, I use this small red. But just say, then I'm here. Comedy night. And so you tell me, say comedy night, after we laugh, we dance. Coffee not there again. Coffee don't know. 4 weeks. I don't beg me, youth man in the Eastern. You are the man they maintain. Some of you not get show there right now. These 4 weeks, they papa one test 3 for long day for the misbehave. See the man they maintain. No, the comedy show them all day. People marry them. Tell them people they pay 2.5 for marry 3 million. For me, COVID camp, Corona. Obama, how much they take? Mama, 2 million, 2.5. Left hand. As I see, I see my colleague go chair the marriage. I say, my mama then say, but that did not pay on the me. Inside April, I be the top. Man, I for maintain standard. Man, I for maintain standard. When the adults soak me better, when I mean they call hello. Sisi get program. No, Obama na December. I say no, we pick party. We pull na do. When I don't have no day, na pass the December program. I say, well, can I take the deposits first? So marry the December. Don't spend like the money right now. When December get money, that's how they go free inch. Don't eat the money, don't sit. 2, COVID, guess for my change the destiny. Me, I go find job or I go office to office. Hello, how are you? I'm a social worker. They say that sorry, we cannot employ somebody during this time. See you. Now we COVID, they try for done. And they call hello. He applied. I said, God go fire you for this one. Also now I make money, you can't go put me in the office. So, Angie, I tell her, before COVID, they saw their whole clothes, they saw them guys make clothes. When COVID can I God convert them to face masks. They saw your whole face masks, don't see your whole face masks. Front, they gotta be big there. All thing I be like, but during COVID, I go to cost me 7 million. I be 7 block or 6 block.
6 block. 6 block.
I've seen one a family, but they say, I buy 210, they want paying for me. And they say, they are getting the money now, one first. What's no get me go, but never good. For money, but the fellow don't disappear. That's it. In a late program, in a laugh program. I go one program last week. Now I go make a laugh, say laugh. I got become meet me say you look the same palava. I say sorry daddy, sorry daddy. That don't for the call and daddy. You see mommy sit down here, mommy say the boss you own is cat I additional will not go to. I say yeah. So that means the way they ask you for maintain. Hey, and they go by the program and they watch for that display money. Yeah, yeah. 5 million money they don't call. Hello. Yeah, the deputy realize this person name for me. I go and program yesterday. This way they throw money. Why should say you mistake? Put it in.
I'm not understanding.
Life comedy at the crack. Life comedy. Community, make sure I invite you. Front seat. Front seat. We are family. We are family now. First family. Bam. They discover a family. Bam. Again. Not the go call me then we have a whole radio program. I'm not saying that thing. But we appreciate as things they go. We live everybody there. Here is from State House, eh? State House or Officer First Lady?
Both.
But. At least this English here will make it easy for you.
Bond.
Everybody know they call bonds.
Bond.
When you listen, you know one this year. You tell them, "Oh, mommy, first the way come out that day as the secretary to the first lady or way name of first president. Now then, mommy, they only made that glasses so. The job we were seeing, mommy, they didn't say. He didn't say. He said, "No, so give me." He didn't open calling for sake of papers, so I don't check you no more. But Phyllis now we see a person, a young woman. Shows them a young people in the guy now.
You still get glasses.
Everybody use glasses. Phyllis, they use glasses. Eyesight. But for read everybody. The papa, they make our family say na they use glasses. And they then slam me and tell me little check. I see my pulling glass. Glasses never went for read the check. I pull the glasses. Obama watch fine for the date. That's it, papa. This thing about check. I say Grace, look the date. December 7th. And the first person one day, then I get to know and they laugh so. This video, I like how the video go so I get for download them. Upload them. First person one day, daddy. Tell me plain, Richie Obama, you are a Creole boy, you should not be a comedian and don't. We don't send me college. The first story was in IT. Then now I've been knowing for I go college. In IT, I've been getting knowledge in open computer, then type for people. I've been the fastest type on IT itself. Type, quick. I go college. If I be calling up, I go eat social work. The thing begin change. I begin make comedy, now my papa can meet me. I don't want you for this thing they doing. Comedy not for Creole. Let's say now for that I do about now, say okay, I don't left. I go like that. Ebola don't soak the use fine for one. Nobody dey work. The papa na can meet me. Obama, you been get one talent today. What's happening now? As the papa don't understand. He said, "If you don't make joke popular, they give them 1 million, 500. What's happening? I don't left." I say, "Not all you say me not to comedian and left." Now I say, you been check if I not be done the gangster studying." But so then they want to talk to you, go they check if Casper not the inside. Say they are go chair this program. So, everybody have advice, check his talent, check his skill. My new project I get, where I work on right now, I don't work to 9 episodes on now. And they announce that because already I know to video people, not to comedian there. This is Pascal they talk on a radio. AI be Italian all at the boss there.
You did like go?
I did. Oh, I like that this one. Ladies and gentlemen, today we will not get the highest view as passed on to the shows there. Housemate. 196. Big this. Well, no, 2K. Yeah, Ghana they get so they're supposed not to talk about big sister. Sorry, I don't forget about big sister. And the Jordan they always see me talk and I big with the boss. Wait up, we want to enter. Serious. What that is the just not that. Okay, the project. So I don't know how people incorporate the project now on. But some people say the level man skills. It's not about only education. It's about what thing you will learn when they go for benefit you. Gone are the days where for go college and can become accountant, become doctor, become this that. Go college, learn the book. If you can't become carpenter, you become a professional carpenter. We're going to use internet for download styles, them, this, that. You become a tailor. Look at all things. All they saw some clothes there, they ask him for somebody where oversee. Yeah. See, they collect. I go college. I go study IT, social work. I come back, I give Papa him. Papa na get the social work. Mama na get the IT. Now I don't have to it for what do me own comedy. With the comedy, with my office where I get, I will employ people there. Somebody will be me safety. Somebody will be me assistant PA. I go employ bodyguard. So Nigeria, they so by now, I get 2 bodyguard. By now they perform safe. First thing they ask, who is that? They say Richie Obama bodyguard. Who is that? Richie Obama bodyguard. After they go, I don't go. That's why they tell people, learn something. If you come to college, you know you get work. 4 years. That's a waste of time. If you don't learn a skill, you're an electrician. If you think I'm well, 1 whole year they did not 2 person they don't make. So when an electrician or when a plumber. So if you go college, you learn plumber. When you come, you get skill. You know the number of pipe. You know pipe from this to this. And the project and
this is not a comedy.
No, this is marketing. You go see the mommy, maybe an opportunity now you forget for market. This is marketing. So they tell people, say, learn something, find something to do. How they live, what they watch me, find something to do. If I catch person thief this knowledge, any side they go, they appear, they shh. I mean, yeah. Watch now, lawyer, they don't book this strong. Where you go past, you pass around, check and see the front commercial bank. They ask you, what I get case again. Case again. Case, you look for lawyer. Then I pay an outstanding lawyer. Serious, only see them on top bike, the lawyer. Okada, bike. Because of all my one be lawyer, all my one be doctor, all my one be banker. Who that now go be now the carpenter? Now in the carpenter, you can look at one kind of way. And jump on people who go prison at the liquor. When I do my research, Pato Banta, that music show we no be sing together. Oh, Pato, everybody tell me to. He go prison for very long years. And we go prison, where he come up prison, he graduate with a master's degree. We come up with, I think, in psychology and all. But tell you say, you know about him, right? But tell you say, oversee the prison, the way you go, you learn something very important. Salon prison, I two see the land. That be better or be tailor. Now me tell the man and afraid for all who close there. Wait, so now they get no police, they get me go now. Because the worst police, they don't know can accept now, but go do teaching experience. Working experience, yes, now they go do now.
But it don't change now.
Who's one?
The University of McKinney provide diploma for them.
For them prison there?
Yes, I'm McKinney.
Wow.
That's my.
Look where they may have the feel for good day.
Na prison.
No. No prison, I mean, no. Yeah, the carry work in car jokes something and the officer they oversee now. Understand? I don't reach the climax level now. Believe so, they can left now very soon, ladies and gentlemen. Because somebody laughed it, oversee now by now, so man no longer, hey, don't spend money by you. Salon, the highest way they laugh. When they reach, they may word command and must. Ah, Obama, this yes, swelling on this. Not that we are anything about tax for this. Precious, this last line on anchor left now, romantic line. This time for here, he was balloon aware. Also, from there, I read the books there. Bible, Quran, Adam and Eve. Say Eve, give Adam apple. Think, use your wisdom. Whose apple will you be saying key? Adam. Whose apple? Come on, apple. Let go for the eat apple die. Maybe I tell myself I know they eat roast beef na net. What my wale do I eat die tanawe the next day I eat roast beef na net. My doctor tell me say if I eat roast beef na net, my belly dey big. Now I say how the roast beef? Now I say no baby they say I no eat roast beef na net. Now I say okay. Why see you no eat and so look me start turn on. If you cross here for jam you roll on. Now I say hey baby give me that chamber. That dey near. Oh man they change everything. I don't imagine. What thing Satan will not tell Eve? Not to apple. Think well. Satan will not come in and say Eve. Because Adam and the first man will answer a question. Wrong one. They ask a question of location and answer a question of nakedness. God say, Adam, where are you? Now the first man begin custom. He say, God, I am naked. And then God ask her, where are you, Adam? I'm at the southeast west of Pennsylvania, Philadelphia, Bush. Simple. God did not say, Adam, don't pursue. But they say, Adam, where are you? He say, God, I'm naked. See the thinking. Who's that way he say Adam eat? Don't think, who's that way he say Adam eat? Papa, you don't give the book like that. You don't come meet Adam, you say, Adam, Eve, I do. You are a nice lady. And you know, say, Eve no ever we are say naked. Adam no ever we are say naked. He say, Eve, she dey chest there, so you physically fit. She get to Adam na fine project too. Then you say, I go tell like he say, Joe, meet Adam no more. Adam back, you don't know it's again. You all and wrong no more. All and wrong in the council. Think according to my philosophy, there's been all social scientists. So when they think, when they read the Bible, read the Quran very well, they tell you say that blown and they was somewhere. Why is it they say every downfall of every man is a woman? Behind every successful man, there is a woman. Tell you say if they don't make you,
then they also
break you. I don't know knowledge now. Me, some of us so we don't get PhD right now. So that make the momiga will look one and say, I satisfy this comedian with a doctor. Imagine no mommy when they go on TV begin call one. Dr. LJ, Dr. Cardinero, Dr. Richie Obama, Dr. Kindamani, in the streets, only doctor. No doctor, we go put only doctor there. I mean, doctor, and they record. Who's for eating? Who's for that? Me, I even know if you only relate to me on. Who's doctor?
I mean, not in the case.
You afraid? You don't see some of them, they panic at this one. They say, talk. Just talk and talk. If you die, you die. Move the bike, move. We move. Always see mommy there, so the other doctor are not calling him. He don't dey one kind way na mommy bet it is in Palava. We go shop go there, they say, Dr. Sagadi great. I guess all joke, eh? Now laugh no more, mommy they laugh, but now mind they say this Obama, everybody laugh at this. Mommy, Sagadi great. Now doctor na traditional doctor. You know sabi Saga? Now so you know be the way you go. Now they go for that visa.
In America.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you know, no problem. That's why I don't see when I get for make list for with the entertainers, them. Back all straight line. Comedians, 8 comedians. Artists, 12. Like almost 20. Dancers, 3. 23. 25 people don't want to take for go make one show in America. They come back. That's why when you see a sportsman they go one overseas. How they get advice there? James, where you go on? Rono. What's that name mean? Where you go on? One away. You see a guy in London. One boy go on for Salon for the past Olympic. 2 years ago.
Musa Tumbo.
That's no one call him there. He get fans still. Musa Tumbo.
Okay.
He go look with football. We get match with November with Nigeria. And one go housemate. I said, this boy, he look like a devil and they look strong. All who they pray for and they go there by him, they break away from. I think they go to the house mate or get game of blood in Nigeria. Eh? What do you want to go to house mate?
Yes.
He says, no, now you convince me. Now you convince me. Now then go sell with party Oga Wawa. Mommy, I know this here give Oga Wawa. No, eh? Popular. Oga Wawa say one go house mate. All my go and tell. Back this overconfidence. Now if you dance, we know not get English then. Oga Wawa. Go inside the bus. Oga Wawa go back inside the bus. If you say they go inside the bus, they qualify. Now they can announce them. Sorry, you guys are going home. Oga Wawa begin cry. I ain't full of committee votes for her. I mean they votes for her. They not succeed. They go buy close them. I say the man lost short of these things folks. If it's called maybe too, they tell us minutes, eh? So they bye. So we don't go buy now. But once about the car VAT, so the way I work so I tell now. This one I work so na 250. What's in there we see I give me 170 for it. Simple. Ladies and gentlemen, I round up now. I appreciate everybody where they are tonight. I appreciate Her Excellency. Mommy, I'm very, very grateful for the perform in front of you. I appreciate I appreciate Mr. and Mrs. Smith. I'm very grateful to be on a wedding MC and at the same time for being also back on an anniversary MC. Thank you very much. Mommy Phyllis, I appreciate you so much. This one we don't see me face so. Me voice. Ask me again, what's your appointment? This is the ask you neighbor answer. Whose business so here, the mommy get? I said I'm a crush. Sorry, you didn't get me clear. I said, mommy, make we lost you, mama. This answer of our girl's business. If we guess, we'll go by the answer of our girl. They take for instance. Because whether the answer of our girl, if I went to Kolonko to guess him, me party matter about he went to Kolonko. You don't know? Who all know? I went to Kolonko to guess him. He matter when Kolonko to guess him. Tonight we get advice to your man. But when I come up here and picking them. When I cancel with the code, they were going to learn 5,000, 10,000. When I left for church people picking them, then they left. Because they got a lock and meet me, they say, Richie, what you have been doing for we before? Now we've been campaigning for them. Tell the pastor, says, Excellency, please push the coffee to 11 for we the code so we could get early a walk. God means Excellency, push up. Don't see? Now the code they come into, they say they want to make good PRO for them. So as far as I'm concerned, I'm the PRO, deputy PRO na matter. So for more don't do that okay for and they tell me, each anytime if you say no more, you high joke out, they make you cold. Soon we go for which one stage, we go for trial, we go for legalize this project for them. For them to legalize and so they minimize them. And I talk like they will legalize and small for them code they fine. Then they make an all code they get number. I get a lot of things. You don't say by police now by number. Where you how they call it NP? What's that the name? So SLP 1654, you know say don't take. 0564, you know say don't take. But you 26 something and now you know what? You understand? So we're gonna split where you get I, you number, it said 2640 all thing undone. Doing it now the big price then by age. From 18 years to 24 years. When I go, you understand eh? Make you pay for 500,000 to 250. So you need argue. When you meet up, I usually say, hi, age, say 23. All right, no problem. Law go if you get 250, they pay. From 24 years to 28 years, we meet up, then I'm from 250 to 150. Because you don't need old small, you don't need tire. From 28 to 32, we meet up, then now from 150 to 50,000. Now I had to tell more before we meet up. I can't tell you. Like this kind of 250 and then 150, 150 to 50,000. Then at 28 years to 32 years. From 32 years and above, when you go meet an speedway taker, when you can't go post, you can't transport for money, you can't for it. They don't really want to say, hey, I have be life. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for your time. I'm Richie Obama, comedian of the Republic of Australia. Thank you so much. Ms. Thank you very much. Thanks so much. Mr. and Mrs. Smith, thank you so much. Hey, go to Mommy, Her Excellency. Thank you so much. Daughter of Her Excellency, thank you so much for the good day. Daddy. Mommy Philly. Thank you so much. This you can greet you and give me. I'll tell you thank you. Money want me, they should say the Boku side for that don't know your name.
Johnny.
London Jet. Thank you so much, Daddy, for the camera. Guys, made there, thank you. Honorable Davis Paul, we don't get constituency. Thank you so much. Adnan and crew, thanks so much. Mr. Gallo. Sadalo is a bit in one guy who's hotter than any of the mammy. Give me care. Evil spirit seven pass. They make us when pay common and us the visit you don't come see. Even they snap he makes so. Go so. I got here. I'm in a body party last year. That last year, I forget saying I'm in the MC. As I walk, oh, it goes now. Say sorry, Daddy, sorry. Nine saying at the MC. Now say sorry, Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks very much. Thank you, sir.